The tui Prosthemadera novaeseelandiae is a boisterous, medium-sized bird native to New Zealand. It is blue-green and bronze color with a distinctive white-throated tuft poi. It is an endemic passerine bird of New Zealand and the only species in the genus Prosthemadera. It is one of the largest species in the diverse Australasian honeyeater family, Meliphagidae, and one of two living species of that family found in New Zealand, the other being the New Zealand bellbird, Anthornis melanura. The tui has a wide distribution in the archipelago, ranging from the subtropical Kermadec Islands to the sub-Antarctic Auckland Islands, as well as the main islands. The tui is a large honeyeater, 27 to 32 centimeters, 11 to 13 in length. The Chatham Islands subspecies is larger on average than the Nominate subspecies, and heavier males tend to be heavier than females. Nominate males weigh between 65 to 150 grams, 2.3 to 5.3 ounces. In females, 58 to 105 grams, 2.0 to 3.7 ounces. Males of the Chatham subspecies are 89 to 240 grams, 3.1 to 8.5 ounces. And females, 89 to 170 grams, 3.1 to 6.0 ounces, 21. At first glance, the bird appears completely black, except for a small tuft of white feathers at its neck and a small white wing patch, causing it to resemble a parson in clerical attire. On closer inspection, see image. It can be seen that tui have brown feathers on the back and flanks. A multicolored, iridescent sheen that varies with the angle from which the light strikes them, and a dusting of small white, shafted feathers on the back and sides of the neck that produce a lacy collar. Male tui can be extremely aggressive, chasing all other birds, large and small, from their territory, with loud flapping and sounds akin to rude human speech. This is especially true of other tui when possession of a favored feeding tree is impinged. Birds will often erect their body feathers in order to appear larger in an attempt to intimidate a rival. They have even been known to mop harriers and magpies. The powered flight of tui is quite loud, as they have developed short, wide wings, giving excellent maneuverability in the dense forest they prefer, but requiring rapid flapping. They can be seen to perform a mating display of rising at speed in a vertical climb in clear air, before stalling and dropping into a powered dive, then repeating. Much of this behavior is more notable during the breeding season of early spring, September and October. Females alone build nests of twigs, grasses, and mosses. Tui are native to New Zealand and are found throughout the country, particularly the North Island, the west and south coasts of the South Island, Stewart Island, Raukura, and the Chatham Islands, where an endangered subspecies particular to these islands exists. Other populations live on Roll Island, in the Kermadec and in the Auckland Islands, where with the New Zealand bellbird. It is the most southerly species of honeyeater. Traditionally, Maori ate tui that had been preserved in